delicious. Maybe show me yourself.
Oh, yes.
I feel how is it cracking under. Oh my god, it means that it's cold. Now you're cold? It's my penguin. My penguin baby. Здравствуйте.
Здравствуйте. Well, we finally arrived in Mongolia, so we're excited. And now we are going to the hotel.
You're staying with us for 2 nights, sir?
Yes.
It's on 16th.
So this is from. This is no. We are on the 16th floor. Right. So it's not that way. It's this way. So it's 1. It's 2. So we have. Oh wait, we're still going. Did I walk past it? Oh, 3. All right. So let's see. Insert the card. Yeah. All right. Let me take off our shoes so we're not tracking all the dirt. Even though, yes, I'm sure they're clean with the shoes. We don't want to bring dirt. Okay, nice.
This is so pretty.
So at least we got the decent view. I watched a couple videos and I guess there's like on the other side, there's not a view, but this is nice. It's a corner room and we have this view. So it's decent up here. Oh, you can see the flag. Oh, yeah. But we use the Fine Hotels and Resorts, a credit from American Express. Well, yeah, the Platinum card. And they gave me a letter explaining. They said I get noon check-in when available, room upgrade, which I think this is, I'm not sure, but and then daily breakfast, and then, well, daily breakfast for 2. Then it says Wi-Fi, which is already there, 4 p.m. late checkout, but of course we don't need it. Our flight is early. And then we have the $100 credit. Well, the one caveat here is that it says that the room, all the expenses has to be paid to the Platinum card. So keep that in mind when you use FHR. Yes, let's show the room. So we'll start here. Oh yeah, this is nice. Not the Japanese style toilet like I want, but like everyone says. But the shower is nice. And what brand is this? It's Shangri-La brand. Do they have a blow dryer in here? Oh yeah. Oh, they have the warm floors. We have our little amenities here. I need to move this so we can open this closet. We have our robes, our slippers in there. Oh, I got the shoehorn. Awesome.
Good luck.
Anything? Is this a drawer? Am I confused? Oh, just oh, you can actually put some luggage in there. Something. Just safe. Looks like this is the laundry bag. Oops. Some more drawers. Fire suppression. There we go.
Oh wow, so much water.
A lot of water. Yes. So much water. You don't need to ask for water. I don't know if this is a mini bar or not. This is the teas. Ooh, we have this little opener. Is this locked? Or is this? Oh, I'm just not strong enough. Looks like some normal stuff. And then we have some welcome fruits. Oh wait, what's this? Ooh, they say, "Dear Daryl, it is our pleasure to have you stay with us, and it is our aim to always provide our guests with warm, friendly service in the hotel's comfortable, relaxing environment." And then let's see, tug rugs. The Mongolian local currency is tug rugs. What on this? You want me to break this? I'm so heavy. This has a lot of facts about Mongolia, so probably I will not read this on the video because we're talking about the hotel right now. So we have universal outlets, which is really nice. What else is in here? Okay, there's so much space here. We could just live here in the hotel. I don't know. It's a yadu. I actually don't know what this is. Oh, it's humidifier? Oh, all right. Got the welcome fruits. The room is not big, but it's clean. And what's this? Oh, in-room dining. We have in-room dining. Okay, we don't care about breakfast.
Pumpkin soup.
Do you want the beef goulash? Beef udon? Sweet and sour pork. Ooh, okay. Overnight. What, Mongolian cuisine? Because I want to go outside and eat it. Here's some Mongolian lamb dumplings. You want a bacon cheeseburger?
I want lamb dumplings.
Can we get Idak? I think that's it. Where?
Oh. Oh, Mongolian beef or vegetarian? Lamb dumpling soup. Sui one. Let's try chili garlic shrimp. Chili garlic? Yeah.
French fries? So we got to our room here at the Shangri-La Ulaanbaatar, and we got hungry, and we were too lazy to go out. So this restaurant is called Naadam. It's a restaurant and bar. It's basically, well, it's on the second floor of the Shangri-La Ulaanbaatar, and I'm pretty sure a lot of the stuff we would order from room service would probably come from here because the menu looks the same, but it's a little bit cheaper, of course, because we came down here. And I think it's open until 2 in the morning. But we got some lamb dumpling soup. Yes, lamb dumpling soup, which is supposed to be Mongolian dish. And then this was a buuz, which my wife says it's similar to a chibureki. And where we need spoons. Let's see how this soup tastes. We get the broth first. Delicious. No. Dumpling? Oh, that's normal? Oh yeah, this is delicious. So I'm happy this food is good, but I'm pretty sure we could have gotten all these dishes for cheaper out in the city, but it's what, after 10 p.m. and we're lazy. We just got off the flight maybe 2 hours ago. Checked in, took us like 45 minutes to get to the airport, so yeah, but this is delicious, so it was worth it anyway. So I'm gonna try this, hopefully not burn myself. Hot. I don't know if you can see, there's some meat inside. Mincemeat? Oh, and we only have orange juice because there's no mocktails here. It's only real cocktails. Hi. It is 1603.
And can I do some coffee?
Maybe tea?
Maybe tea. Okay,
I guess green tea. Is okay. So is this
Mongolian.
this one? Oh. Oh wow! Oh, thank you so much. Oh, look at this.
So this from you 30%. I asked what kind of milk and he just saying normal, but for me it feels like some what I don't know.
Well, because I thought they put salt also.
Yes. So this inside comes mushrooms, and also you have pork and beef inside.
So delicious. Go.
Try first this and then that.
What, this one?
Yeah, all of them.
It tastes almost like sweet potato curd.
And this one,
Sweet curd.
sweet pork, yes.
This one?
Yeah.
So, it's a different one. Some normal cheese. So we have this noodle soup in this bowl. Let me hold the chopsticks properly. Look at these fat noodles. Yeah. Oh, it smells so good.
You like it? Look at that.
Oh my god. Oh, I think there's some beef here too. Delicious. Can I go there?
I hope.
So we're starting our day now. Finally, we're in the Shangri-La Ulaanbaatar. We're starting our day, but we wanted to show you these ice sculptures. So yes, these are really ice, and they are just out here because right now it's minus 12, but apparently it feels like minus 16. So I don't know what that feels like. I don't think I've ever experienced that before. And this is not as cold as it gets, so it's nice that they have the ice sculptures here. But yeah, see, look at all this. This is so. Did you see this word? It means the gymnasium. The Shangri-La Center Sports Club. It's not bad. We're staying in the hotel. Is this the same gym?
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you just want to see around or
We want to use the.
okay? We're closed at 10.
Okay.
What's your room number?
1603.
Same room?
Yes. Thank you.
What's your name?
Did it hold?
Yes, please. There's dumbbells on. So this is our second breakfast here, but our last day in Mongolia, unfortunately. I wish we can stay longer, but our flight schedule doesn't allow it. Let's try it and look at this. I promise I know how to use chopsticks. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh my god, delicious. And it's just so nice in the morning. And you can look outside. It's still dark, but I think it's almost, 7:45 in the morning. The sun is still not up.